Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to cut transparent image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, open your Photopea software and open the transparent image. We can see here I have an image, but these images are transparent. Now we want to cut the part of an image. Go to the tool section. You can select the rectangle select tool, otherwise you can select the ellipse, otherwise you can select the lasso tool. Now I am select the lasso tool. Then choose a part of this image. Then select the move tool and move the part of this image. We can see we cut this. You can cut this. Press Ctrl X on your keyboard. There press Ctrl D. Now we can see we cut the part of an image, transparent image, very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.